Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. So for this video, let's talk about this premium case from Pitaka, the Mag-Easy Case 3 for the Galaxy S23 series. So guys, sobrang dami ng case brand today sa market, but ito yung nagustuhan ko talagang gawa ng review. The reason why, upon searching, this is one of the best case today sa market with a positive feedback from different customer or different user for this brand. So, ang dami nagsasabi na very protective yung device, given na hindi mo maramdaman na may case. Also, the design, the premium look, the elegant, and so on. So, sobrang daming feedback for this case, kaya alamin natin kung talaga bang worth it itong Pitaka case. Let's go! This is the actual packaging of the Pitaka Mag-Easy Case 3. As you can see, box pa lang or the packaging itself pa lang talagang napaka-premium na. And alam natin na kapag ganito yung datingan ng lagayan ng isang product, well, asahan natin na premium din yung nasa loob. So, napaka-simple pa niyang i-unbox dahil you can just simply pull the black box and then, ayan, bubungad na sa inyo kaagad sa loob ng black box yung pinaka-case. Ayan, di ba? Ganun lang kasimple. Hindi lang case ang nasa loob niyan, but the document kit wherein dyan nyo rin makikita yung iba't ibang product of Pitaka. Also, you can see inside the black box the removal instruction on how properly remove the case to your smartphone para both smartphone and the case itself is hindi siya ma-damage. Kung isa ka guys sa mga kagaya ko na hindi naglalagay ng case sa smartphone kasi ang dahilan ayaw nang nasisira yung original na beauty ng kanyang smartphone or something like ayaw mo na masyadong bulky or yung nai-interrupt ka na inahawakan ng matagal yung device. Well, nothing to worry because the Pitaka Mag-Easy Case 3 is now 0.95mm in terms of thickness. Imagine that guys, that technology or that thickness of the Pitaka Mag-Easy Case 3, it allows you to appreciate the beauty of the Galaxy S23 series nang napuprotektahan pa. So imagine, just take a look, di ba? Ang ganda ng datingan, talagang ma-identify mo na yung device is talagang premium or flagship or like the Galaxy S23 series nga, nang hindi po nagsasacrifice yung protection ng mismong case. By the way guys, in addition, the Mag-Easy Case 3 is the thinnest MagSafe case today in the market. Also, when it comes to the design, nothing to worry because you can now enjoy a minimalist look of your smartphone. So, by the way, it comes with 3 different designs that you can enjoy for your daily lifestyle. So, andyan ang black or the gray or yung 12 na tinatawag. Also, they have the Rhapsody and the Overture. So, kahit alin dyan guys, ang piliin ninyo ng mga kulay or the design itself ng Pitaka case is perfect for your premium smartphone. At alam nyo guys, ang Pitaka case ay ginamitan ng high quality materials and technologies sa market. So gumamit dito guys ang Pitaka ng Aramid Fiber 600D. So it's a type of a fiber guys which is napaka lightweight niya and durable and highly resistant siya sa mga force impact. So perfect to if ever na madalas ninyong mabagsak or malaglag yung mga devices. Alam nyo ba guys na ang Aramid Fiber ay ginagamit din sa mga military product and something like sa mga aerospace technology. So even sa mga automotive ginagamit siya and sa mga bulletproof protective gear. So, ganun kaganda ang Aramid Fiber na ginamit dito sa case ng Pitaka. At dahil nga dyan sa pagiging lightweight niya, so mapifeel mo na ngayon dito yung 3D grip dahil ginamitan din ito ng Pitaka ng vacuum forming technology para naman talagang perfect na perfect yung build ng mismong case para talagang halos walang kahit na anong magiging epekto dun sa pinaka-design ng smartphone mo. Kaya kaya niyang ipanatili talaga dito yung feeling ng akala mo walang case yung smartphone mo pero meron siyang nakalagay. So, yan yung mapifeel mo dito guys sa Pitaka case. Talagang the premium feel and grip wherein talagang may protection yung device mo. But then, hindi mo mapifeel or something like never ka talagang madidistract dun sa case na nakalagay. So, ganun ka-advance yung technology na meron dito sa Pitaka case. And because of that materials and technology, nothing to worry guys dahil hindi siya kagaya ng ibang case ng smartphone na nakaka-damage ng lens or something like nagagasgasan yung gilid ng lens or walang protection kapag nilalapag natin sa mga flat surface. Sa Pitaka case guys, kung mapapansin niyo, ang ganda ng pagkakagawa kasi una, hindi nasira yung pinaka-design ng camera. Kumbaga, mas nadagdagan pa siya ng premium look doon sa camera itself, no? And additionally, they have the cutout for up to 0.3 mm wherein mas higher ng konti yung pinaka design niya compared dun sa mismong lens. So, ang advantage niya kung bakit medyo mas mataas yung pinaka-design ng camera lens niya dito is that para maproteksyonan siya kapag like for example, nilalapag natin sa mga flat surface yung mismong phone natin and alam mo yon yung camera nasa ilalim. So, isa yan sa mga advantage talaga ng case na meron dito kay Pitaka. Isa pa sa for sure na ma-appreciate ninyo dito guys is that you can now easily press the side buttons, di ba? So like the power key and the volume key, you can now easily access without any distraction from the case itself. Ayan, di ba? So nakalabas siya kaya talagang mapi-feel mo na parang walang case na gamit yung smartphone mo. At hindi talaga to guys basta-basta na casing ng smartphone dahil even guys yung mga charging port, even yung mga speaker and the S Pen itself for the Galaxy S23 Ultra is that talagang you can now easily access. Just take a look guys how premium this case of smartphone. Napaka-precise ng cutouts niya. Just take a look how perfectly cut those detailed na kailangan natin na ma-access yung mga ports and the accessories ng mismong phone natin kapag ka nakalagay yung case, di ba? So, just take a look like this one, di ba? You can now just easily push and pull the S Pen without the feeling na merong case yung mismong smartphone. Unlike with other case today sa market, you know, nagkakaroon ng distractions once na gusto mong i-remove or something like gusto mong i-eject yung mga ganitong accessories ng smartphone. And lastly, as I mentioned earlier, the Pitaka case is the thinnest MagSafe case technology compatible today in the market. Not just the strong MagSafe attachment yung pinagmamalaki niya dito, but then even yung technology niya kung gaano siya kaganda kapag like for example, both device is gumagamit ng Pitaka case. So like for example, you want to share your battery through wireless power share. And then both device is merong nakalagay na Pitaka case. Walang kahit na anong distraction guys. Like this one. As you can see, both device is using a Pitaka case. And then once na nilagay ko yung isang device and then pinatong ko siya, they can easily access the wireless power share. Even the wearables like the smartwatch or even the buds itself. Ayan. So they can easily detect the wireless power share even merong Pitaka case na nakalagay. By the way guys, if you want to buy products from Pitaka, just simply click the link under the description and enjoy some of the discounts and another product and accessories perfect for your smartphone and wearables. Thank you!